Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We have deals from Acme Tools and we have some Amazon deals. They're all going to be linked down below. We have some promo codes from Acme that I want to share with you. First up, we're looking at this Makita 18-volt cordless 6.5-inch circular saw kit. It's coming with two 5 amp hour batteries, and right now they have a flash sale going on that is good for the rest of today. It was good for yesterday when I got some of these posted, and I wanted to get this video. It's 12:30 in the morning. I wanted to get this up and posted so you guys have a majority of the 5th to take advantage of these Makita deals. And then I'm going to have some DeWALT deals that are good for an entire month as far as the promo code. So for this one, I have the link to my website over here. It's going to be $349.91 when you use the promo code MACFLASH. And we're going to get free shipping because they have free shipping on anything over $199. Now for this flash sale, again, it's going to end at the end of day 3/5. That's the end of today. 15 off orders over $149, 30 off orders over $299, and 50 off $399. And if we look at some comparables, Tool Nut sells it for $4.59 and Tool Up has it for $4.59. So a pretty good discount if you need to pick it up over at Acme. Also, by the way, if you haven't submitted your bracket for the last brand standing, there's your link right there. If you use the referral code STRUGGLE, there's a box in the upper right-hand corner when you're doing your bracket. You'll be eligible for additional discounts and prizes, but first place for the last brand standing gets a $500 gift card, and it is free to enter a bracket, so it'll only take a minute if you want to set that up and enter for a chance to win. Makita 18-volt, this is another Acme Tools deal. Subcompact reciprocating saw kit. It's going to be $169.92 for our flash sale. So a nice compact guy. Getting a little bitty baby battery. It's only a little 2 amp hour. Wish it was a bigger battery with it, but it'll have to do. $169.92. If we look at these comparables, Tool Up has it for $244 and Home Depot has it for $259. A DeWALT deal, we have the Atomic 20-volt max compact band saw brushless. I'm dealing with a cold and I feel like it's affecting my ability to speak, which is weird. Maybe not weird. I don't know what problem I'm having, but it's definitely a problem. This is a kit, $244.91. Now, this is the Q1. So, Q is the newer 4 amp hour batteries in the one, meaning you're going to get one of those. So, this is going to be $244.91. I actually like this one a lot because it's much smaller. The first bandsaw I bought was the big boy full-size one, and if you're using it like on a bench or in a stationary position, great. If you got to hold it over your head or some awkward position, say goodbye to your shoulders because it gets heavy quick. So I like the smaller compact guy. Of course, it does depend what you're using it for. $244.91 with our promo code POWER100. So this is good throughout the entire month of March. You get 25 off of $199, 50 off of $300, or 100 off of $500 plus. Again, POWER100. This banner right here, if you clicked on it, brings you to all the eligible products if you just want to scroll through it. Now, for this item, Home Depot has it for $319, Max Tool, Tool Up, everybody $319. Another DeWALT deal, we got the 20-volt max brushless 5-tool kit with soft storage for $359.91. Getting a pretty good little array of things here. You got the bag, which is a little nicer than the standard stationary one. You get the brushless oscillating tool. I believe it's all brushless. You get the oscillating tool, the orbital sander. We got an impact driver. I believe that is a hammer drill. It might not be. It only says drill driver. You might want to look into that. Maybe it's not. You get the LED light, and you're getting looks like 2 amp hour batteries there and the little charger. So you get the full kit. 5-tooler, $359.91. And if we look, Tool Nut has it for $499, and Max Tool has it for $499 as well. Going back to a Makita deal, again, this is going to be good for the rest of today. 18-volt LXT brushless cordless couple shaft power head kit, 13-inch string trimmer attachment with free grass shears. That is right, free grass shears. It is $269. So there's your little string trimmer guy with the battery, which it does not say what size, but it looks like it might be a 5 amp hour that it's coming with. We're going to use that same MacFlash promo code, and we're getting the free grass shears, which you'll have to open up the the Acme Tools page. Actually, I can do that, and I'll show you the free grass shears. Where are you? There they are. Look at them, guys. Oh, of course, I can't click on it. It's not a link, but you can kind of see what they are. Little 18-volt shears to go with your trimmer. And if we look at these comparables, Home Depot gives you the free shears as well, but it's going to cost you $2.99. ToolNut's going to charge you $3.19, and you're not even getting the shears. What a screw job. You definitely don't want to buy it from there. But $2.69, nice little price, plus you get a freebie. On to some Amazon deals. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Cordless electric scissors, power cardboard cutter, safety lock, rechargeable, 2,000 milliamp hour battery electric box cutter by Strazy, and it is 40% off. We've seen similar items before. I have a Skill one of these that looks identical to it. Absolutely love it for doing all my eBay boxes when I'd have to cut those down, cut off the flaps, all sorts of things like that. Starts out at $39.99, but 40% off. Not sure when that expires, but it is good right now. Right now, unfortunately, at 2 a.m. it could die, so early birds are going to get the worm on this one. We'll just keep our fingers crossed that it works after 2 a.m. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, and click the bell so you are the first to know when new deals come out. You know, mine, and it does look identical to this, I never had to change the wheel. It's like self-sharpening. It has always been sharp, and it is amazing, but it does come with an extra wheel, I guess, in case you do need to change it out. It's great for opening like plastic packages too. Makita 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 2-piece combo kit. It's coming with a 5 amp hour battery. It looks like 2 of them actually. So 2 5 amp hour batteries. You get the hammer drill, the impact driver. It's going to be $309.99, but if we look, Home Depot has it for $419, and ToolNut also has it for $419. So save yourself over $100. Boy, we are really treating the Makita owners good today. 16-pack garage hooks, utility double heavy duty. Double heavy duty, is that like twice as good as regular heavy duty? That's what it sounds like. Mop broom holders, wall mount hooks, garage doors by Dorothy, and it is 60% off. We saw these once before, but their discounts always limit you to one, so I thought, well, let's throw it back up in case people missed it or in case you wanted more. It starts out at $33.99, but we have a 40% promo code and a 20% coupon. Those do stack, so you're getting 60% off. Brings you really close to $15, and we're always trying to reach $1 per hook. Can't always do it. Actually, we usually can't do it because they just don't get down that low. We're actually beating it this time, so if you are at all interested in garage storage hooks, that's the deal to get. Ever Ready LED camping lantern, bright battery-powered lantern, water-resistant hurricane supplies, 100-hour run times. Look at that cute little guy. Normally $10, down to just $5.88. Prime members are going to get free shipping on that. There is no promo code or coupon. That is just a sale price that is good right now. But $5.88, that's an amazing price if you can use a little lantern. Got a wrench organizer. I thought this thing was really cool. You're going to like this. 40-piece magnetic wrench organizer. Toolbox wrench holder modular rack. It has both metric and SAE labels by Webixpley. And it is 40% off. So look at these guys. And they're all like modular. You kind of lock them in together. And they're magnetic. And you just line up all your wrenches. And you're getting 40 of them. So it's you know, 40 wrenches. That's a lot. $19.97. But we have a 40% promo code. Not sure when it expires. It's good right now. Right now, that's going to take $8 off. You're going to pay $12 for 40 of them. Natural gas detector. Eat a can of beans, check it out, see if it works. Gas leak detector, 18.5 inch gooseneck. Portable gas sniffer, audible visual alarms. Locating propane, natural gas, combustible gas leak by Mestec. 50% off, get the bright red warning screen, that means it's gassy. $29.99, it's usually the best time to light one up. 50% off. Don't try that at home. $14.99 after our promo code there. 10-piece masonry drill bit set. Cement drill bits made of cemented carbide. 3/16 to half inch. Masonry drill bits by ZKH. 40% off on that. Even has a little handy dandy case to go with it. $19.99. hey, we just did this math. That takes $8 off. It's going to be $12. Does work for multiple quantities if you want to buy one for a friend, and why wouldn't you? 13-piece mechanic hook and pick tool set. I like this one with scraper, clip pliers, fastener remover, magnetic telescoping tool by Gargantool. 30% off. So look at all this stuff that you're getting. All the handy dandy pouch. You get all these little hooks, little picks, the scraper guy, the panel popper tools, and then the telescoping. And the way it looks, that has a light, right? Does it have a light, or is that just showing a magnetic force? It would be a bonus. Maybe it doesn't have a light. It doesn't look like it's bulky enough here to have I'll have all that. Anyway, it's at least magnetic, and it's telescoping, so. Oh, it does say LED light. Hot damn! Look how good this is. It's a really good deal. $19.99, but then 30% off. It's going to take $6 off. It's going to be $13.99 going through the fill. Oh, we got till the end of the day. You have till the end of the day to get that one. I really like that. Just all those picks, little gasket scraper. These panel poppers, they're not a high value, but if you don't have one of these, this is really great for those little plastic push rivet things. $127-piece oscillating saw blade titanium multi-tool blade set by Invitux. 40% off. Now don't let that number deceive you, because you'll notice we have a lot of sandpaper here. But we do have a nice variety of blades, and those might be scrapers. I can't tell if there's teeth on them or not. Well, those are definitely scrapers, so that's probably blades. It does look like we get the backing pad for that sandpaper. It's going to be $32.99, but we have a 40% promo code that's going through the 11th. Now, if you click on this text link here, one, it'll apply the promo code to your Amazon account, but also the next window that opens has 3 different options as far as oscillating blade sets. So if you want something a little bit different, check those out. You may see one of the other ones that you like better. Got a 2-pack of 7-inch LED light bars. We haven't seen a deal for one of these in so long. It used to be almost a daily occurrence that I could find these promo codes, and I bet that's been a couple of years. This is by LED Mercy for the light pods, 40% off. $19.99, which isn't even a bad price. Then we also have a Prime member discount, although I don't remember what it was, and we're going to take 40% off. So worst case, you're paying $12, but with that Prime member discount, it looks like you're going to pay just a little bit less than $12 for 2 of these guys. I'll tell you, I have one just like this, mounted it on the hood of the riding lawnmower, and it just lights up the world. The whole backyard, like boom. Night mowing at its finest. So there it is, guys, the latest amazing tool deals. Some really good Acme tool deals. Make sure to submit your bracket. Use your referral code STRUGGLE, and you have, I think they said it was at the end of the bracket event. They're going to send out emails to people who used a referral to get an additional discount. I'm guessing you're going to get like a promo code or maybe like a one-time use code. And they also said if your bracket does good, you'll be eligible for other discounts. They weren't real specific, though, so I don't know. They just said, hey, here's a promo code you can give to people. Like, okay, or not a promo code, a referral code you can give to people. Like, all right, here we go. So I think you're going to get something out of it. But anyways, the bracket thing's free, so just, you have a chance to win a $500 gift card, and then, I don't know, they're going to have a bunch of deals throughout it. We'll be posting about it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.